Kukuphula inhliziyo yakaze kwenhloso yami uyazi inhlolo esangibonile ngilandela inhliziyo yami maningi amaphutha ami kodwa kuwona qhatha nami inkinga nje zomhlaba zihla zinyukela kude buqamama lapha engikhona ngilodane ngilandela isaka ngiyacula ngiyarap induzula bathi ngiya-entertainer ngishaba ngizundayo but mangifika endlini I know isithombe sakho siyangikhuthaza bengakayi ngidokotela kushuthi uwena sangisanganisa uwena ithemba lami ingilosi yami yokuphila kwami but let's face it without cash there is no happiness senemndeni kumele ilali idlile ikweleti kumele ikhokhiwe yisho sengiyokulanda ubaba wakho kunemali expected
Girl, I'm sorry that I made you feel insecure. I guess I wasn't sure, cause I kept it though that you were better off with, though without me. My heart bleeds too, seeing you crying like that. I beg your trust, your honesty, your heart. I know my mistakes are too harsh, but please let me fix this issue. Don't cry about yourself, use my shoulder as a tissue. You know you ain't nobody else that I care about to accept you. Except you, you know me the most part of me. I know you the most part of you. So if you don't understand, please pardon me. So if you don't understand, please pardon me. Pardon me.